Artisan and the Professional 5 Plus KitchenAid 2021. Hi everyone and welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit what is the difference between the Artisan KitchenAid and the Professional 5 Plus KitchenAid mixers. Both of them are fantastic and sometimes it's a little confusing to see which option is the best one to buy. So I am going to tell you my personal opinion on both of these mixers from a point of view of a cookie decorator. But first, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. And these are the guests of honor on this video. This is my 19-year-old Artisan 5/4 mixer and my 6-month-old Professional 5 Plus KitchenAid. And in a future video, I'm going to tell you why I ended up with two mixers in my house. In this chart, we can see what are the similitudes and the differences in both mixers. The Artisan is a tilt head. It has 325 watts of power. It has 4.9 stars, almost perfect. They come in a great assortment of colors and finishes. You can have different options of bowls, and sometimes they come out with limited editions that are very pretty. The Artisan 5 quarts is about 13 inches tall. And the Professional Plus is a bowl lift, has a power of 525 watts, has 59 planetary points, has a review of 4.7 stars, and it is approximately 16 inches tall. Now let me tell you what are the similitudes on both mixers. Both of them have a 5 quarts capacity bowl and the bowls are made of polished stainless steel. They have 10 mixing speeds and their price tag is about the same, $430. And when they have the same price, it's even harder to choose which option is the best one for you. So let me show you a little bit more in details all of these differences and similitudes. Both of these mixers are super pretty and they are going to look super nice on your kitchen countertops, okay? As we saw in the chart, they have things that are very similar. Both of them have a bowl of 5 quarters capacity or 4.7 liters. Also, another thing, both of them has the same speed. And both of them comes with 3 important attachments: the paddle, the wire whisk, and the hook for breads, okay? But the sizes are very different. I'm going to give you a close-up on the attachments. As you can see, there is a huge difference in size, okay? This is the paddle that I normally use to mix my icing and my cookies. The wire whisk, this is perfect when you're going to make natural royal icing with egg whites, and the difference is also very big. Now these are the bread hooks. As you can see, they are very different, not only in size but also in the design. This one has more like a spiral thing and this one just have like a little hook. So this is a very noticeable difference between each of them. The other attachments are about the same, the only thing that they change are in size, okay? And they both have about the same starting price of $429, and I have seen sometimes the Artisan prices go up to $800. It depends if they are a limited edition or they have something special. Now let me show you the differences. Both of them have the little thing to put the other attachments of the KitchenAids in here, in this part. So this one is like a little window, and for this one you just unscrew and open. This one measures about 13 inches tall by 12 inches deep and about 6 inches wide. And compared to this one measures like 16 inches tall. The deep is 12 inches, about the same, and the width of this one is 7 inches. So they are different in sizes, as you can see, and also they are very different in power. This is something very important. The Artisan has a power of 325 watts and the super powerful Professional 5 Plus has a 525 watts. And as one is more powerful than the other, obviously the sound is going to be different. And I'm going to show you how do they sound. So let's hear the Artisan. Remember that my Artisan is 19 years old, and maybe the new one is gonna sound softer than this one, I don't know, but this is the sound that it makes when it's working, okay? So now I'm gonna tell you the sound of the 5 Plus. Now let me show you the difference on how they are built. One big difference is how you put the balls in the mixer. Okay, for the Professional Plus, you're going to find out that your bowl, it has these little things on both sides, and then it has a little thing here in the back. I don't know how you call them, but I just call them little things, okay? And here they have these little things that you are going to match. Okay. So this little thing is going to go in here, so you're going to start by that to directing your bowl on that direction, and then you're going to put this little thing in here, and then the other one in here, and then you're just going to click in the back. And another big difference is how you are going to put the attachments on both of them. Yeah, they are very different on that. Okay, the Professional 5 Plus have this little lever, I will say, that you need to put up to operate it or put down. Okay, how you are going to put your paddle is also different. Here your paddle has a little square little thing that you are going to match with this little thing over here. So you're going to put it, and then you turn and you lock. Okay, and when you are going to operate your mixer, the only thing that you need to do is put the lever up and make it click, and then you can run it. Now it's time for me to show you how is the tilt head. The Artisan has a little thing in here that is like a lock to move this part of the mixer. Here is lock, you cannot move it. So over here you unlock it, and over here you are going to put your paddle. Okay, it also has the same little thing as the other one. You are going to insert this in this little thing over here, and you are going to twist it, and then you lock it. Okay, and the bowl is also a little different. The only thing that you need to do is put your bowl in the circle, and then you are going to lock it, just turning it on the other side. Okay, what I really like about the Artisan is that you have the option to buy more bowls. So let's compare the bottom of these bowls. As you can see, this space is much smaller than in the 5 Plus. This is like about 3 or 4 inches, and this is like about 6 to 7 inches. So if you're going to make smaller recipes, this is perfect because the distance between the bottom of the paddle and the ingredients in your bowl is going to be less. So this is going to be easier for all the ingredients to incorporate faster and in a nicer and easier way. And in comparison, if you have few ingredients in this bowl, the distance between your paddle and the bottom of the bowl is going to be very big, so the ingredients are not going to incorporate it very nicely. One thing that I have noticed that is very different is in the way how you are going to add your ingredients in this one. As you can see, this bowl is more open and more wide, so you can really see more what is going on inside your bowl compared to the Artisan. The bowl is narrower, and you cannot see too much what is going on. If you're going to make like 3 or 4 recipes of your cookies, this is perfect because this is super wide, and the power of this one obviously is more, so you are not going to be forcing your mixer as much as if you're going to do the same amount of cookies on your Artisan. And if you're planning to use your mixer to make cookies or cakes for your family once a week or every 2 weeks, this is the perfect mixer for you. You are going to love the transition from a hand mixer to a stand mixer. You can make your cake or your cookies and still can be doing some other things in the kitchen. You have more options of colors, and the one that you choose is going to look beautiful in your kitchen. Okay guys, I hope that with these little things that I show you in this video will help you to make a wise decision of which KitchenAid is better for you. I know that lately they have been a little hard to get, but if you have the information and you decide which one is the one that is best for you, just go for it, and when you see it, just buy it, because there are very few in the market, okay? And if you can afford or you need both of them, get both of them, because now that I have both, the things are so much easier for me. I can make my icing over here, I can make my cookies over here, and it has saved me a lot of time and effort. And I'm really happy that I still can continue having my little baby that is 19 years old, and I have this another baby that I hope that I can continue having it for another 20 years for me making cookies. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming, and I hope that this video is going to be very helpful for you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you until next time. Bye bye.